People should get into teaching because it gives us a chance to make the difference with young people's lives. I mean, every time we make a difference to one person, that means we are adding to society, we're making that difference, we are adding value, and actually we're creating better human beings for the future.
When most of them are coming along looking for those final few pointers before they actually put their application in, or in some people's cases they've even put the application in already and perhaps they want some help in relation to things like preparing for an interview, how they're going to finance themselves on the course, what kind of things they can expect on a course and what kind of help they can expect from the course providers.
The advice I had was extremely helpful. She looked over my personal statement, she made some corrections and she gave me some feedback on it, which I felt was very positive.
I think it's also nice just to speak to people and just get those extra little insights that those people have got from their own personal experience. I think as long as I go away and actually do the steps that I've been told about, contacting the providers, actually finishing my personal statement, submitting it with my references, and I think if I just follow all the steps, I'm pretty confident that I will be successful at getting on a course in September.
I had in my mind what I was going to write as my personal statement, and as soon as I've listened to the presentation and talked to the person in there, they just actually made me realise, no, I had the wrong plan. This is what you need to do. Made it very straightforward.
I came with quite a lot of questions and feeling quite uncertain about what to do next, and I feel like I'm going away motivated and with the knowledge of what are the next steps that I need to take.